If you're feeling stressed out and under high pressure, there's a simple method of getting your stress level back into balance, like taking a walk into nature and re-regulating your breathing pattern. This is a simple technique. While you're walking, you breathe in and you breathe out through your nose, inhaling at the count of 3 and exhaling at the count of 4. Inhaling at the count of 3 and then exhaling. By doing this a couple of times, you'll instantly feel more relieved and relaxed and more energetic to go about your challenging tasks of the day.